Let's dive into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and talk about two revolutionary AI-powered solutions. OTRIM and OTRACKER say goodbye to the complexities of business analytics because Onpassive, OTRIM, and OTRACKER are the two powerful AI-powered analytics solutions that will take your business to new heights. Let's first talk about OTRIM, the amazing URL shortening tool. OTRIM helps simplify long links by shortening and enabling them to be shared on multiple social media platforms with ease. Create short and easy-to-remember URLs with OTRIM to optimize your website for a seamless user experience. It also generates unique QR codes each link to share quickly and effectively anywhere you want. Effortlessly organize, track, and optimize your link with OTRIM's intuitive link management feature, streamlining your online presence and enhancing user experience. Now let's move on to OTRACKER, the game changer in business analytics. Powered by advanced AI algorithm, OTRACKER allows you to track and analyze visitor behavior across digital channels, gain invaluable insights into user behavior and engagement. With OTRACKER's robust analytics feature empowering data-driven decisions for your online strategies, it tracks every click, scroll, and movement on your site, giving you a comprehensive view of how users navigate your content through heat map visualization, tedious manual tracking, and guesswork. OTRACKER automates the process and provides you with comprehensive reports on customer engage preferences and purchase patterns. With OTRACKER, you gain invaluable insights into your target audience, enhance security, and block threats. With its IP blocking feature of geolocation, you can block single or bulk IP addresses based on the locations. It optimizes your marketing efforts and drives better results by testing and comparing campaign variations. The notification feature sends real-time alerts and updates to users based on predefined conditions or events to enhance your website visitors' digital experience. Personalize experiences and optimize website usability. With OTRACKER's AI-driven user profiling, its user path feature helps track and visualize user journeys and behavior. OTRACKER's immediate web analytics give you real-time insights and updates. Do you know what is the best part? These tools are driven by artificial intelligence. This means they learn and adapt over time, becoming more accurate in their sites. Whether you're a startup trying to find your footing or a well-established business aiming for growth, Onpassive tools can be your secret weapon. Worried about implementation? Fear not. Onpassive has ensured that these tools are user-friendly and require minimal technical know-how. You don't need to be an AI expert to harness their potential. Embrace the next generation of analytics and revolutionize your business today. So what are you waiting for? Leverage the power of AI to take your business to new heights. Visit the Onpassive ecosystem now and experience the future today.